Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This video is about the weight difference between the stock and the SNS 865 pistons. In my previous video, which is a ride review of the 865, I talked about the vibration that comes with this conversion. Check it out if you haven't. I thought I'd make this video because although there is so much talk about Interceptors converted to 865s, I couldn't find any information about the possible vibration caused by the bigger pistons. The 865 pistons are 90 millimeters in diameter versus the 78 millimeters of the stock. Of course, there's no shortage of information on the internet about engine balancing and vibration, and I will put a few links in the description below that I found interesting. Eventually, I talked to others with 865s and they confirmed that there is some new vibration after the conversion. Of course, the reciprocating mass of the pistons is not the only cause of engine vibration, but when you have a balanced engine and you change a variable, you expect to get some that it wasn't there before. So without further ado, let's put the pistons on the scale, and at the end of the video I'll show you where exactly in the RPM range it happens. So in the 865, I don't have vibration everywhere in the RPM range. It's still smooth like the stock bike, except in these three RPM bands. Idle to 1900 approximately, 3000 to 3200, and from around 5600 to the rev limiter. To be honest, before the completion of this project I was expecting to have more vibration than that. And to have it throughout the RPM range. Well, it's obvious that if you ride normally, it's not a big deal, because you only have to avoid prolonged periods in the narrow band of 3000 to 3200 RPM. And with this torque you have available, you just change gear and you're okay. So, although it counts as a negative, it's not a deal breaker in my opinion, by no means. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.